You've spent hours crafting the perfect prompt. You describe exactly what you want: the lighting, the style, the character, and AI gives you something close, but not quite yours. That's not a prompt problem. That's a training problem. The AI doesn't know your style because nobody taught it. And the tools that let you teach it, like Civitai, charge you every single time you run a training job. Today, I'm showing you a platform where you can train a custom AI model in your exact style, completely for free. We're doing the whole thing live, from zero to a working LoRA that generates images and videos in your style. Let's go. This is Modelscope. Think of it as the open source alternative to Hugging Face. But for creators, there's one zone inside it that changes everything. It's called Civision. If you've used Civitai before, Civision feels immediately familiar. Same idea: community models, styles, LoRAs. But here is the one difference that matters. Civitai charges you to train your LoRA. Civision does it completely free. It runs on something called Magicubes, free credits that refresh every single day. No subscription, no credit card. And if you use an invite code when you sign up, you get a bonus on top. I'll give you that code in just a minute. Okay, let's train a LoRA. I'm going to walk you through every step right now. Step 1, pick your base model. Go to the Image Models tab and select your base model. You want to match this to the checkpoint you're planning to train on. Options include Z Image Turbo and the Qwen image series. These are some of the best performing models available right now. Step 2, set your training parameters. You'll see advanced settings for repeats and epochs. Keep these reasonable. Too low and your model undertrains. It won't capture your style properly. Too high and it overfits. It basically memorizes your images instead of learning from them. The default suggested values are a good starting point. Now give your model a name, something clean and clear in English. Then set your trigger word. This is the specific word you'll type inside your prompts later to activate your style. Choose something unique that won't conflict with existing words in the model's vocabulary. Step 3, upload your dataset. You want around 20 to 50 images, high quality, no watermarks, shot or created from different angles, properly sized. The quality of your training images directly determines the quality of your LoRA. Step 4, hit train and watch it go. Everything runs in the cloud. You don't need a GPU. You don't need any powerful hardware at all. Just click start and track the progress live in the training panel right there on screen. And this is the part that really matters. The LoRA you get out of this is not a demo file or a test export. It's a production-ready model. You can take it directly into comfyui or any standard AI workflow, and it just works. Now, this is the moment to sign up if you haven't already. Use invite code NINJA, that's NINJA, all lowercase when you register, and you'll get an extra 100 Magicubes on top of your daily free credits. More Magicubes means more training runs, more image generations, more room to experiment. Link is in the description. Code is NINJA. All right, training is done. Now let's use it. In Civision's advanced generation mode, you activate your LoRA directly. Just type your trigger word in the prompt. Then write your full detailed prompt, set your CFG scale, your sampling steps, your resolution, and generate. Look at that result. That's not generic AI output. That is AI generating in my style. My characters, my lighting aesthetic, my visual language. This is the level of control that used to take serious technical knowledge or serious money to get. And Civision also handles video. Take any image you've generated, or any reference image you already have, upload it, add a short prompt describing the motion you want, and it generates smooth cinematic video while keeping your character and scene fully consistent. If you want to be making content like this, subscribe right now. I cover new AI creator tools every single week, and you don't want to miss what's coming. So here's everything you just saw in one place. Modelscope Civision, completely free, runs entirely in your browser. No downloads, no GPU required. Free LoRA training that produces a real production-ready model you can use in comfyui. Advanced image generation with go to modelscope.ai. Link is in the description. When you sign up, use invite code NINJA, N-I-N-J-A, lowercase, and you get 100 extra Magicubes right from the start. Drop your results in the comments. I genuinely want to see what style you trained and what you generated with it.